Good morning, August 13th, and Parrysoundlife is at the office today. We're on James Street in Parry Sound, and today there is the Downtown Parry Sound Family Fun event going on. So the whole main street is shut down, and there is events going on. I know there was bouncy castles last year. I just saw a band setting up, so I'm going to go just take a little peek and see what's going on there. Starts at noon, so we'll see how exciting it gets later. But make sure you grab a loot bag if you get one, because there's something in it for me. Anyway, so we'll go see what is going on the main street of Parry Sound. Let's check it out. That looks like a dunk tank waiting to happen.
Within that span, that's what we want.
This street will be full very shortly. It's only about 20 to 11 right now.
Okay, we need a three and a connector.
What connector? Oh. Never. Okay, so step one. Step holes number 3 and 4. Side connectors, layer pieces are recording, and you guys. Oh, yeah. So you haven't done it.
Getting clearer, radio's on and I'm moving around my face. Check my look in the mirror. I want to change my clothes.
Mommy, are you having fun? Yeah. My mom.
Are you having fun?
At the beginning there, I guess. Oh yeah, it was all intentional. Sung by Radiohead.
Quite the event, and I was really impressed with the turnout. So great job everybody, and I was glad to see lots of friendly faces and see lots of people bouncing around those castles. I'm exhausted, I didn't even do it, but anyways, the bands were great, everything's still going, and the rain held off, so it was a perfect day, and I hope you were able to enjoy it, and if not, hope you enjoyed that video. So anyways, have a great weekend everybody, lots of summer left, enjoy it, take care. Andy?
I love candy.
Yay!